Down, this gonna go down. This freaking vibes is so nice. Gonna drink. What's up, my peeps? Welcome back to my channel. As always, I appreciate you guys tuning in. This one's gonna have you guys dying from laughter. It's another children's book, but it's more like a porn book. Now, while you're here, just share this video, help me grow the channel, and enjoy the story.
Story time with
time
Tomfoolery presents. Do you want to
today.
play with
A
my
balls
balls?
business. Let's see
Hey,
what's gonna
Louis.
happen.
Do you want to play with my balls?
I play with
Sure,
balls.
Chuck. I can hold your ball sack so it won't drag on the ground.
Yeah.
Wow, your balls are so big. I can't even fit them in my mouth.
Big balls truck.
My mum's always yelling, Louis, get those
Even
balls
mum
out of your
into it.
mouth before you
Mama,
choke.
hey,
You know that
mom.
mean girl, Sally? She squeezed my balls so hard.
Sally,
they
wow,
look
wicked girl, you
funny.
know?
Yeah, well, when I play with Sally, I always end up with blue balls.
Sally,
Billy
wicked
Johnson
Sally
made
left
Sally
them
cry
with blue
last week.
balls. Ah.
Now that kid's got balls. Not anymore. Yesterday, Sally kicked Billy's balls so hard, he lost one.
Sally,
Look, Louis,
wicked.
your dog is licking my balls.
Jesus Christ, Sally, dog
Let's
night
roll
too.
them on Sparky's fur. Girls hate hairy balls.
Yeah, they don't like
you know,
here.
Chuck, if we show Sally our hairy balls, she'll
Yo,
scream
this,
for sure.
this.
Yeah, but I don't
We
know.
could never read
I
this to
kind
the
of like
kids. I'll have
Sally.
them read this to
I wish
themselves.
she would just play nice
Balls
with my
business.
balls. Yeah, me too. Hi, Sally. Do you want to play with our balls?
Community balls, you know?
Sure, but only if I can play with both of your balls
Jesus,
at the same time.
Sally, I want whore, you know?
Finger
Yo!
these links
I
for
don't know
more
where them
story
get them
time
books
with
are from.
Tomfoolery.
These are not kids'
Perhaps
books.
you
These
could
are adults'
subscribe
books.
to
This
his
guy's
channel
a children
or-
book. Hey peeps, I hope you enjoyed that video. Please give this video the thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't, and click the notification bell and share the video. Help me grow the channel. Until next time, stay safe. Watch me act you down, this gonna go down, this freaking vibes is so nice.